sing this song. Hello, lion family. Roar, roar, roar with me. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Jungle friends are fun to meet. Daddy lion standing tall. Mommy lion loves us all. Little cubs jump, run and play, rolling in the grass all day. Friends today. Bye-bye lion, see you soon. Walking underneath the moon. Peanut smiles and walks away. Who will we meet today? Rustle, rustle in the trees, swinging gently in the breeze. Who is laughing, can you see? A happy monkey waves at me. Ooh, ah, come and play today. Ooh, ah, hip, hip, hooray. Monkey, monkey, swing so high, reaching up into the sky. Jump with Peanut, 1, 2, 3, happy as can be. Monkey, monkey, clap your hands, dancing through the jungle land. Smile and laugh the whole day through. Let's all play together. Monkey! Aha! Come and play today. Woo! Aha! Woo-hoo! Hooray! Swinging softly on a vine, monkey says, come play with mine. Hop across the little lawn, peek around a jungle rock. Catch a banana, toss it high, watch it gently reach the sky. Roll the ball and clap along, everyone can sing this song. Ooh, ah, come and play today. Ooh, ah, hip, hip, hooray. Monkey, monkey, swing so high, reaching up into the sky. Jump with Peanut, 1, 2, 3, happy as can be. Monkey, monkey, clap your hands, dancing through the jungle land. Smile and laugh the whole day through. Let's all play together.
M-K-K-E-Y.
One little monkey jumps with joy. 2 more monkeys
Can you say
find a
monkey?
toy. 3 more monkeys laugh and play, having fun the jungle way. They spin around and wave hello, moving fast and moving slow. Peanut laughs and joins the game. Every monkey knows my name. Ooh,
1, 2,
come
3,
and play today.
4, 5, 5,
Hip,
6.
hip, hooray. Monkey, monkey, swing so high, reaching up into the sky. Jump with Peanut, 1, 2, 3, happy as can be. Monkey, monkey, clap your hands, dancing through the jungle land. Smile and laugh the whole day through. Let's all play together.
Bye-bye monkey, what a day. Now let's walk and learn and play. Peanut smiles along the trail. Who is tall beyond the veil? Something peeks above the trees, swaying softly in the breeze. Can you see that friendly face? Let's go say hello with grace.
Hello, giraffe. Hello, hello. Stretch up high and watch us grow. Long, long neck, reach in the sky.
Giraffe!
Wave your head and say hi.
Hi, Peanut! This is my family!
Hello, giraffe. Come and play. Learning something new today. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Jungle friends are fun to meet. Daddy giraffe standing tall. Mommy giraffe smiles to all 3 baby giraffes. Jump with glee. Come and play with us, say they. Hello, giraffe. Hello, hello. Stretch up high and watch us grow.
today. We had fun in every way. Wave goodbye with happy smiles. Let's keep walking. Wait, what's that over there? Black and white beyond the air. Peanut tiptoes nice and slow. Who is hiding?
Let's go!
Stripes are peeking through the trees, dancing softly in the breeze. A friendly smile comes into view. Hello, zebra. Is that you?
Hello, zebra, hello, hey! Come and run and laugh today. Black and white from head to tail. Gallop down the jungle trail. Hello, zebra, come and see. You're a special friend to me. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Jungle friends are fun to meet.
Daddy zebra standing proud. Mommy zebra laughs out loud. Three baby zebras jump with cheer. Come and play, they gather near. Peanut waves with happy eyes. What a wonderful surprise. Five new friends all full of fun. Our adventures just begun.
Hello, zebra, hello, hey! Come and run and laugh today. Black and white from head to tail. Gallop down the jungle trail.
Black and white, stripe by stripe. Every pattern's
Looking bright,
no two zebras look the same.
each one special, that's the game.
Peanut points and counts each line. Your cool stripes
Look so fine,
wave your tail and spin around.
happy laughter fills the ground. Gallop,
Gallop, gallop, 1, 2, 3. Run together happily. Fast little feet upon the ground. Listen to the clip-clop sound. Peanut runs beside the way. Everyone enjoys the play. Jump along and cross the stream. Working together as a team. What's this animal? Can you sing? Fantastic! Let's count together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 happy zebras today.
Take big steps, 1, 2, 3.
Dance with Peanut happily. Goodbye. Thank you, Giraffes, for today. We had fun in every way. Wave goodbye with happy smiles. Let's keep walking for a while. Wait, let's count it down the trees. Black and white in the gentle breeze. Come along, don't run away. A new friend is on the way. Let's walk and learn and play. Peanut follows a winding stream. Water sparkles, splash and gleam. Listen closely, what is that?
Splash, splash, splash.
Imagine that. Tiny eyes peek from the blue. A smiling hippo says, hello to you.
Hello, hippo, hello, hey! Come and splash and laugh today. Big, big smile, happy face. Welcome to your river place. Hello, hippo, come and play. Learning something new today. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. River friends are fun to meet.
Daddy hippo standing tall. Mommy hippo waves to all. Three baby hippos splash with glee. Come and play, they call to me. Peanut laughs and waves hello, watching little ripples flow. Happy friends beside the stream, sharing smiles is like a dream.
Hello, hippo, hello, hey! Come and splash and laugh today. Big, big smile, happy face. Welcome to your river place.
Peanut sprays with a trunk so high, tiny droplets fill the sky. Rainbow colors shine so bright, everything feels pure delight. Cool fresh water every day helps us work and helps us play. Crunchy grass for hippos too. Healthy food is good for you. Bananas, apples, carrots bright. Veggies help us grow up right. Eat good food and smile all day. Healthy choices help us play. What's this animal? Can you see?
Hi,
Great job!
great job.
Let's count together.
1, 2, 3, bird fly.
smiles for today. We had fun in every way. Wave goodbye with happy smiles. Let's keep walking for a